Well, the first part of any plan is to define your goals, right? So you have to have clear goals. There's the SMART goals you may have heard of, specific, measurable, attainable, reasonable, and timely, I think is the acronym stands for. But first, defining your goals. What's the why behind the investment? What are you investing for? Are you just wanting to increase your net worth? Are you looking to become financially free? Are you looking to retire? Are you saving for your child's education? What's the purpose of the investment? So the first thing is to create goals, or at least set goals and understand them. And then the next step would be to define your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with, especially if you're talking about investing in the stock market, the market is going to fluctuate. We're going to have volatility. It's just the cycle of the market. But how much is it going to worry you if you see steep declines in your account and you see this up and down and really big changes within your account? So can you manage that? Is that going to stress you out? Are you a person that looks at your account every single day? Because there is a premium on peace of mind. So I would say, assess your risk tolerance. How aggressive or conservative do you want to be? How comfortable are you with specific investment vehicle that you're using? Another big point is to diversify, right? The saying, don't keep your eggs in one basket kind of applies here, right? So you want to be diversified and not have, only one company, one stock that you're holding, but also diversifying in asset classes. So things like large caps and small caps, or real estate, or maybe even commodities like gold, CDs, bonds. So you want to have diversification as well, so that you are spreading your risk out. And so that those ups and downs that you see that we spoke about a moment ago are lessened, and try to mitigate some of that risk.